Indonesia is a vast archipelago of some 17,000 islands, straddling the equator between the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. Its year-round sunshine, generous rainfall and rich soil give rise to a stunning variety of tropical plant life, a bountiful natural resource. The nation has a bustling population of about 250 million, 40 million of whom earn their living from working the land. Indonesia has a long history of plantation agriculture, nutmeg, coffee, chocolate, tea, rubber, and now, along with ever-changing global demands, the oil palm. Indonesia now produces almost half the world's supply of palm oil. Introduced from its native West Africa during the 19th century, the oil palm thrives in the ideal local conditions. In the latter half of the 20th century, the World Bank facilitated the expansion of the Indonesian oil palm industry as a key to economic growth. Palm oil has the highest yield per hectare, lowest production cost, and largest annual production level of any edible oil. To increase production efficiency even further, the palm oil industry is conducting intensive research programs to create disease-resistant varieties with even higher yields. Primarily, the oil palm is a highly efficient source of edible vegetable oil. Moreover, nothing is wasted from the oil palm harvest. After milling, various other palm oil products are made using refining processes. Oil extracted from the kernel is used for oleo products such as cosmetics, soap and shampoo. The meal from the kernel can be processed into a high-protein animal feed. The biomass remaining in the fruit is burned to generate electricity and steam for palm oil processing. Methane from the processing plant's waste is also captured to generate power. As yields per hectare rise, increasing volumes of palm oil can be directed to producing renewable energy, making a significant contribution to powering Indonesia's continued growth. As an agrarian nation, many communities throughout Indonesia rely on income from the oil palm, and at least 45% of the harvest is attributed to smallholder farmers. The industry supports more than 16 million Indonesians directly and indirectly, and last year generated $19 billion in export revenue. Establishing an oil palm plantation plays a vital role in job creation and poverty alleviation. Plantation operators also take an active role in bringing valuable infrastructure to communities, ranging from education and energy self-sufficiency to healthcare and communications. Schools, clinics, places of worship and sports facilities provide a better quality of life for local residents and reduce the tendency for migration to overcrowded urban areas. Consumers are becoming more concerned about the environmental and social impact of the goods they use in their daily lives. To ensure that palm oil will remain a reliable source of local revenue and national export earnings, Indonesia has implemented the Indonesian Sustainable Palm Oil, or ISPO system. Producers are also assisted in obtaining international environmental sustainability certification. Certification assures manufacturers and end consumers alike that the whole production chain, from soil to table, is using sustainable processes. As an integral part of the nation's livelihood, palm oil is the key to improving the standard of living of millions of Indonesians. The government, industry and society will continue to work together to fulfill the promise of palm oil as a solid, sustainable pillar of Indonesia's national development.